TenizService Limited Liability Partnership is a modern, actively developing company that was established in 2003 with the purpose to develop onshore infrastructure for support of marine petroleum operations in the Kazakhstan sector of the Caspian Sea. During the years of existence, the partnership proved itself to be a leading petroleum servicing company that provides wide range of logistics and industrial services to local and international petroleum operators that work in the Caspian region. Since the date of its establishment, TenizService LLP efficiently contributed to the implementation of the state program on the development of the Kazakhstan sector of the Caspian Sea and a number of other state programs aimed at increasing competitiveness of the Republic of Kazakhstan. The projects implemented by the company were highly praised by Nursultan Nazarbayev, the President of Kazakhstan. The main facilities of the company are located in Tupkaragan and Karakia regions of Mangostau Oblast, and in Zhilyoy region of Atarau Oblast. The activity of the company is carried out in accordance with the requirements of international standards in the field of quality, labor and environmental protection 9001, 14001, and 45001. The compliance with the requirements of international standards is annually confirmed by external audit results that are done by independent certifying organization. From 2003 through to 2015, during the period of implementation of the first stage of Kashagan, the partnership carried out transshipment of more than 12 million tons of rocks for construction of artificial islands through quay on rock loadout facility that was put into operation in 2003. If necessary, the facility, within a short period, may increase the volume of rock loadout up to 6 to 8 million tons per year at minimal investments and through implementation of leading transportation technology. Taking into consideration the number of discovered prospect offshore fields, in 2005, the partnership put into operation industrial waste disposal landfill. In over than 10 years, the work of drilling waste from all offshore fields within the Kazakhstan sector of the Caspian Sea were received. Since 2006, thanks to the activity of partnership's own offshore oil operations support base, active support is provided to offshore drilling in big petroleum structures in the Kazakhstan sector of the Caspian Sea. During this period, high-quality onshore support was provided to marine petroleum operators in drilling of more than 15 test and appraisal wells. More than 5,000 vessel calls were serviced. The total volume of loaded and offloaded cargo is more than 250,000 tons. In 2007, a unique for the Caspian Sea marine fueling station for vessels was put into operation. Like any other facility of the company, this project was implemented meeting the principle of zero waste discharge that does not allow discharge into the Caspian water basin of any hazardous substances negatively affecting the environment. The station carries out fueling of vessels by non-dangerous and ecologically acceptable way. In order to increase the efficiency of servicing oil-producing and logistics companies, the fabrication yard for infrastructure facilities was put into operation in 2010 in the eastern coast of Tupkaragan Bay. In the frame of implementation of the state program on forced industrial and innovative development, a high-tech joint enterprise was established in partnership with a leading American company in the field of production of drill mud, systems of treatment and disposal of drilling wastes, MI SWACO. Drilling mud plant was put into operation in 2010. In 2012, TenizService LLP completed construction of a unique facility, North Caspian Oil Spill Response Base, that provides emergency response to petroleum spill consequences in the aquatorium of the Caspian Sea. Currently, KMG Systems and Services Company is an operator and owner of the base. Policy of TenizService LLP in the field of security, labor, and environmental protection includes, among others, protection of health of personnel and people living in regions where the partnership operates. Rotational hotel provides comfortable conditions for workers, and dispatching point ensures high-quality coordination of the activity of offshore oil operations support base. The key industrial facility of the company is cargo transportation route, offshore transportation hub in the northern part of the Caspian Sea that allows transshipping and storing of oversize and other types of cargo for onshore and offshore oil fields. In the severe surging conditions of the Caspian Sea, modern technologies of hydrotechnical construction was applied in partnership with the world's leading companies. 76 kilometers long access channel, berthing facilities for servicing vessels and cargo with quay wall of over 1,000 meters, 40 kilometers of road for hauling oversized cargo, and other support facilities were constructed. The cornerstone of successful development and functioning of any enterprise is its personnel. TenizService LLP pays close attention to human capital. The company upgrades skills of employees on a regular basis, including vocational training abroad. Besides this, in order to strengthen team spirit, collective trainings, sport and cultural events involving not only personnel but also members of their families are held during the year. Continuous professional training and increase of service standards, diversification of business, and social responsibility are the main drivers of the company's growth. TenizService LLP, high-quality service in the interest of each and every client.